welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you how to stop app tracking on iPhone in just a few easy steps. Here is what we will cover. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Access tracking settings. Let us get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app. On your iPhone's home screen, tap on the Settings app. Scroll down in Settings and tap on Privacy and Security. This is where all your privacy options are stored. Step 2. Access tracking settings. Next, tap on Tracking. Here, you will see a list of apps that are currently allowed to track you. If you want to stop specific apps from tracking, just toggle the switch off next to the app. If you want to stop all apps from tracking you, toggle off Allow apps to request to track at the top. Once it is turned off, all apps will be prevented from tracking your activity. And that's it. You have successfully turned off app tracking on your iPhone. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, this video is for educational purposes only. The steps shown are based on publicly available iPhone settings and features. Please use caution when adjusting privacy settings or toggling app permissions. Results may vary depending on your iPhone model and iOS version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Apple Company and is not responsible for any issues that may arise from following this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. And we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.